been a member of the Flying Bulls since 2017. He was trained by Raider Wilkie and Blackie Schwartz, the masters of helicopter aerobatics. He has performed aerobatic helicopter displays for millions of spectators throughout North America. Look at that. Brings it over the top and does a loop in a helicopter. He was awarded the Medal of Valor for rescuing 2 flight crew members from a burning helicopter. So thank you, Aaron. I'm sure some of his training with the 82nd helped prepare him for that. And in addition to flying in air shows and doing movie work, he flies UH-60 Blackhawks on firefighting contracts with the Forest Service, battling forest fires in the western United States. So I talked earlier about the water drop from the Ventura County Aviation Unit. Also, thanks to Aaron for the work he does in keeping us safe. We know all too well here in Ventura County the dangers that come with firefighting issues. Aaron's bringing it over the top again now, and I'll tell you a little bit about his helicopter. The Red Bull helicopter. Look at that. 20 years ago, you never